So easy and fast, the most delicious chicken dinner for the whole family. For this recipe, we're going to cut 2 chicken breasts into cubes, like this here. Also cut ginger. And add a spoonful of ginger to the chicken. Put 2 crushed garlic cloves. A spoonful of olive oil. A spoonful of honey. A spoonful of salt. A spoonful of red pepper. And also a little spoonful of black pepper. Half a tablespoon of cornstarch. And we are going to mix these ingredients very well. Now add a spoonful of soy sauce. And mix again, and guys, this recipe looks amazing. I'm sure all of you who do and will love it. I'm going to let the chicken marinate for about 10 minutes. Now I'm going to be cutting here 2 onions like this, also cutting a seedless tomato like this. And also a diced green pepper. In a frying pan, add a drizzle of olive oil. Put our chicken, and seal this chicken very well until it looks like this here. When you're at that point, just remove and put it in another container. In the same skillet, I'm going to add some more olive oil. Put a spoonful of ginger. 2 cloves of garlic. Cool very well. Put the onion. Braise. Add the bell pepper, the tomato. And sauté again the 2 minutes. Now add our chicken. Give it a light mix. And we are going to make another recipe, adding 80 ml of chicken broth, a spoonful of soy sauce, a spoonful of cornstarch. And we're going to mix it up really well. Now we're going to add this broth over the chicken. Mix just a little bit. Cover and cook over low heat for about 5 minutes. And our recipe was ready, and it was a perfect dinner. I'm sure all of you who do it won't regret it, and you'll love it. So if you liked it already, share, and see you next time.